This is August 2019, and we're visiting Niagara Falls in Canada. And of course, what we've done is purchase tickets for the helicopter.
More importantly, it's also the safest helicopter ever produced. So relax and enjoy this unique aerial view of Niagara. You're in good company.
Now, if you want to see Niagara Falls, really see it, then the helicopter is the way to go. So here as we fly towards Niagara Falls, we get to see the lower section of the falls, the beautiful landscape, and the development there around the falls. Now, Canada is much cooler than obviously the United States in the summertime, and being in the helicopter is quite refreshing. Now here we're approaching the falls, quite a majestic view. Now earlier today we had toured the falls on the tourist boat, so we had actually gone through both of the Niagara Falls, and we were of course equipped with raincoats and totally saturated with mist as we experienced the mist from the falls. Now we get to see it here from above. Now what's interesting is one side is going to be the United States and the other side is Canada, and on this trip we actually are staying in Canada. We are not crossing into the United States at the Niagara Falls, and there we see the US side and the Canadian side. I think the Canadian side is more majestic. Quite the view. Good weather today also. And there we see the falls from above, there from the top. See, there's quite a bit of development there, isn't there? Certainly worth the price. A little expensive, but if you want to see Niagara Falls, then the helicopter is the way to go.
On the Canadian side of the river is Victoria Park.
Now obviously the helicopter is a little noisy. Of course we have headphones on, so we can listen to the narration of the helicopter and listen to the pilot. Okay, now we're actually visiting the Skylon Tower, which gives us the best view of Niagara Falls, and there's that boat we were on earlier today. Now the Skylon Tower also features a very nice buffet restaurant. What a view. And we're actually staying in a hotel that's very close in proximity to the falls. What a trip.